Hello guys, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo! For today's video guys, we are going to be watching Nona's Honk dance video. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Work. Okay. Honk, no work.
Look at me,
Look at her. Hey.
Buckle up out of here. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me, race it, go.
Ooh, that was good. Get on here, go. Get on the Hong Kong. Hey, 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 hey. Get on here. Ooh, that was good. In the trunk, and we make it loud. I always find that part so cool every time. Oh, that's so fun. And like there's people in the background. It's just like they just drop by and they're like, oh, we just need to film a dance video. That's so cool.
If you're seeing this,
Okay. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. I really love you. I love you so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think of this video. Tell me if you enjoyed it as much as I did. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also guys, I'm thinking of checking out Beanie. Do you know Beanie? I don't know them. But I've been hearing about them, so I'm thinking of checking them out. If you want me to check them out, please tell me in the comment section. Ciao. Mwah.